Ilimo Dairy Farm hosted the Prime Minister of Vanuatu, Charlot Salwai Tabimasmas, PNG Finance Minister James Marape, as well as other members of the Vanuatu Delegation on Monday. Officiating the grand tour was Chairman of Innovative Agro Industry PNG, operators of Ilimo Dairy Farm, Ilan Weiss. Mr. Weiss said not many people expect to see such a high-tech, environmentally conscious facility here in PNG, so it's great to show our Melanesian neighbor what is possible. The group were shown through the milking parlor, packing and distribution facility, and on-site feed management facility before finally sampling products. Apart from creating 200 jobs, Ilimo Dairy Farm is committed to sourcing feed locally, which is developing the local maize growing industry that will directly impact households in the Kairuku district and other districts of the Central Province in the months to come. Come December, Ilimo fresh dairy products produced in the Central Province will be made available in Ley. Lilian Sopera Kinea, National EMTV News.